Scene. A person wearing the Meta Quest 2 VR headset, standing in a virtual world. Narrator. Imagine a world where reality is redefined, where your wildest dreams come to life. Introducing the Meta Quest 2, the breakthrough in virtual reality that takes you beyond the ordinary. Cut to various scenes of people enjoying VR experiences, exploring distant lands, playing immersive games, attending virtual concerts. Narrator. Dive into a new dimension with the Meta Quest 2's stunning 128 GB storage capacity. More space means more adventures, more memories, and limitless possibilities. Scene. Friends gathered, each wearing a Meta Quest 2, sharing laughs and high fives in a virtual space. Narrator. It's not just a headset, it's a social experience. Connect with friends from around the world, play games together, or simply hang out in virtual environments that feel almost real. Cut to a person using hand tracking, interacting with objects in the virtual world. Narrator. With advanced hand tracking technology, your hands become the controller. Grab, build, create all with a natural movement of your hands. Scene. A person using the Meta Quest 2 for fitness, engaged in a VR workout. Narrator. Get active and stay fit with immersive VR workouts. The Meta Quest 2 is not just about escaping reality. It's about redefining it on your terms. Text on screen. Meta Quest 2 available now on Amazon. Narrator. Elevate your reality. Upgrade to the Meta Quest 2. Order now on Amazon and embark on a journey into a world where imagination knows no bounds. The upbeat music fades out and